Let's zoom out a bit to get a better view of the map area. Now that we're zoomed out a bit from our property, we can take a look at some of the features of this map search tool. At the top of the map search are a variety of items. These items are a variety of tools that you can use to isolate or to highlight an area on the map. For instance, at the top of the map are some checkboxes that are labeled hospitals, police stations, fire stations, schools, districts, and zip codes. We can select any of these boxes. For instance, if I click on zip codes, that will put a map layer on top of the map showing where all the zip codes are in the state. If instead I wanted to see school districts, I could just click the school districts item and even zoom out a little, and it would show where all the school districts are. In addition, I can do more for showing individual schools, fire stations, police stations, etc. At the top of the map are several key items that offer powerful features for our map search. At the top left are 3 key items that allow us to outline an actual area on this map so that we can isolate our search. From left to right, these are polygon, rectangle, and radius search. For instance, if I wanted to use the polygon search, this might be used to outline an irregular shape that's not a radius or not a rectangle. Let's give this a try. So I'll first click on the drawing polygon, and as you can see, it gives us instructions how the polygon works. Click once for each point on the polygon, double click when we're all finished. So for instance, my property is at the center at 9400 South and 13th East where these crosshairs are. If I wanted to outline a specific area, I'll click drawing polygon, and maybe I didn't want to take a strict rectangle, but I could outline for whatever area that I wanted to use by clicking and releasing, and when I'm all finished I can double click. And now it's going to use this area to include in my search. If I want to change the polygon area, then I'd have to clear that area and then maybe start over with that again. To outline an area using the map search, I can use any of these 3 outlining tools, the polygon, rectangle, or radius. In this case, I'm going to use the drawing rectangle. And of course, it tells me how to use this. Click and drag from one corner to the opposite corner. So I'll click on drawing rectangle. My property is right at the center where these crosshairs are. So I'm going to maybe start in the upper left-hand corner and just click and drag, hold my mouse down, and then release at any time. And as you can see, it's chosen these 4 points based on my rectangle area. If I wanted to erase this area, I would clear that area, click on drawing rectangle again, and then I could change my area to something different.